In this video, I will show you how to check the serial number on laptop. So if you're looking for a serial number, maybe you need it because you've just bought a laptop and they're asking for the serial number to, of course, register your laptop for like a warranty or something like that, then follow along with me as I show you how to do this. Now there's two ways you can obtain your serial number. The first way to do this, you have to actually be on the PC itself. What you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, you want to type PowerShell. So that's all one word like this. Underneath best match, Windows PowerShell should come up. So make sure to right click this and run as administrator. Click yes on the permission pop-up that comes up, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now what we need to do is paste a command into PowerShell to show us the serial number. So I've actually got that command down here. What I will do is drop this in the video description down below. Basically what you want to do is copy the command. So right click, copy, come back to PowerShell, paste that into here and then press enter. Now once you've done that, of course I've blurred mine out for security reasons, but it's going to give you your serial number. Another way you can find your serial number is generally it's going to be on your laptop itself. So if you actually look at the bottom of your laptop, you should see a label with some information about your laptop and the manufacturer and things like that, but it should also be the serial number physically printed on there as well. So that's two ways on how to check your serial number on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.